Namaste, and welcome to another exciting tutorial on Installer Guru. My name is Sudeep. Today, we have something special in store for you. We'll guide you through the step-by-step installation of Zammad, the open-source helpdesk software, on an Ubuntu Server 20.04 LTS system. So, grab a chai, sit back, and let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share with your friends, and if you like our videos, please do like them and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates and notifications. For installation, I referred official installation steps of Zammad. Site links are in the description below. Step 1, Prerequisites. Before we dive into the installation process, let's make sure you have everything you need. 1. Ubuntu Server 20.04 LTS installed on your machine. 2. SSH access or physical access to your server. 3. A cup of chai, of course. Take a sip. Step 2. Update and upgrade. Now, let's keep our server up to date. 1. Open your terminal and log into your server using SSH. And type the update command. It will take some time to complete the update, and now your server is ready. I have already logged into the root user, so I will skip sudo before every command. Step 3. Install dependencies. To ensure Zammad runs smoothly, we need to install some dependencies. 1. Install required packages. The below dependencies need to be installed on your system. If you're using the package install, the packages below will be automatically installed with the Zammad package. Now go to the Elasticsearch setup page and follow the command. Please make sure you paste the correct command. Step 4. Ensure the correct locale. For Zammad to function correctly, your system has to use the correct locales. Here is your list of your current locale settings. If the above does not return lang_code.utf8, you can correct this issue as follows. Step 5. Add Zammad repository. Now, let's add the Zammad repository. 1. Download the Zammad GPG key with this command. 2. Add the Zammad repository to your OS dependency with the following command. I am using Ubuntu 20.04 server, so I will select only that command. I am using Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, so I will be using this command. Step 6. Install Zammad. With the repository added, let's install Zammad. Update your package list again and start the installation. It will take some time depending on the internet speed and your server speed. Step 7. Configure Zammad. Before that, I will check the OS firewall status to run the check that I will use this command. Now my firewall status shows inactive. In general, Zammad uses 3 services. These can be restarted and stopped with the parent Zammad command lineup. Step 8. Connect Zammad with Elasticsearch. Set the Elasticsearch server address with the help of the following command and also run the build the search index command to populate the search index for Zammad. Step 9. Access Zammad. Zammad should be up and running now. If we go to the browser and browse the server IP, I will get the Nginx web server up and running. Now we need to configure Nginx web server to access and web setup of Zammad. Go to the Nginx web directory and follow these steps. And change the web server port numbers and restart the Nginx server. Step 10. Stop and use the Zammad Helpdesk system. Now we will go with the web setup steps in our browser and need to follow every step that you require. In this software, you will make lots of settings changes as per your requirements. These are the wonderful features that the Zammad Helpdesk system have it own. 1. Ticket creation from call, online and chat. 2. Knowledge base creation and publication. 3. Escalation and SLA management. 4. Auto ticket creation for a regular task. 5. Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn integration. And many more. I will try to make another video on that. This is the installation video only. Please comment more and get this video made soon for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share your friends.